This is North Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, my man.
Good, man. Yeah, Kosi for life. How do you feel about the game today?
Well, my man, the game was good. It's just Pirates, they didn't manage their game first half. The mistakes, they cost them, and the side and you know, Mina, on my opinion, I will blame Osibis.
Yeah.
Because as a defender
and as a captain also.
As a captain, you need to always communicate with your defenders.
Yeah.
Understand? Osibisi was supposed to call Abo Hotuti guys Buyana Skave Nama spaces.
But look
now what happened. Understand?
Also, do you think the problem was overlapping Yabo?
Yeah.
There was no one was covering.
They were sleeping. Look at the goal that they scored Labafana Lekand, the Magesi.
The penalty one.
No, the first one.
Oh, the first goal,
Yes.
Yeah.
The guy that scored the goal, he was free there. No one was there.
Exactly, yeah. Even the second one.
Even the second one.
Even the third one also. Remember the third one penalty? It was a rebound. Then
it was a rebound.
They were caught sleeping.
They give it to Chivavairo, our former player.
Not Chivavairo, Chirambadar.
Chirambadar, yes, our former player. So, Izamile na Pirates. Unfortunately, it was too late to cover it 3 goals. I was saying it with Makalanja, it's possible with the Pirates it can bounce back from Gule.
And they tried.
They tried. No, my man, it's just, you know, in football, they say if luck is not on your side, it's not on your side.
You'll never win everything.
At
also,
least they should have tried to get a goal in the first 50 minutes. They were going to cover. At least about
they came out strong.
Yeah, they came strong. And about another thing, for me, Benzo introduced an Undlondo the second half because while Undlondo is not a player that you can sideline. When Undlondo previously, before this coach, now you know coach Wabo, they're going to opportunity. But the person in the position we can also blame the coach. But then for me now today it was not their day. They tried, my man. They tried, but Bona Pirates, it's a tough team to play against, my man. Their football this season, it's amazing. They're doing so well. You can see the coach
Jose.
Even in Africa. So they are doing well, and they won a cup now recently. You see, but then they must focus in the next game, and this game here today.
No, thank you very much for your.
Just water under the bridge.
Thank you, my man.
And to my team as well.
I'm a Kosi for life.
Yeah. To our boys, good luck later.
Yeah. Do you think you're gonna win this one tonight?
We will win it, my man. We will win it. Look, we just won
Imakufa Cup.
Imakufa is just to bring our dignity back as Amakos. So I have that feeling good. We will pass through to the next round.
Next round.
Next round.
All the best, Kosi for life. See, as the coach and